I can't see any reason why he would go. I can't say that it's imminent. Obviously, it's a results business, isn't it? I mean, if there's a drop off, the drop down through the leagues, they're not competitive in the championship, then maybe there will be a rethink. At the minute, obviously, like there's been those retirements that we spoke of, so he's rebuilding another team. So he'll be backed. I think as long as he wants the job, I think it's his.
Like, how long he stays, again, it's there'll be no urge to get him out. He managed to quell that. Obviously, the winter before they won the All Ireland, there was a vote on him, which felt like madness at the time. And I know, like, the players would have had influence within their clubs in terms of, saying to the clubs, do not get rid of this man. The players want him to stay. So
Even with that, it was very close.
it was, and that's it. And within the room, it was, yeah, and like it was as if they'd learned nothing from the Kildare situation, where the players wanted him to stay, and the
And
clubs in
Kildare people
Kildare
still
decided
didn't.
they knew better, and they got rid of him. And Kildare people would tell you, like, that was the biggest mistake they ever made, and
But
it
you,
set them
you
back
just
years.
don't. I totally accept what you're saying, but you just don't give a guy a chance and another chance and another chance. I mean,
But
I think the thing about Geezer at that stage was there was no obvious replacement. Like,
that's the thing.
there
That's
was
the thing.
no Joe Kernan in the wings, and it sort of goes back to the lack
Mm.
of success at club level.